welcome back to another episode. We are back in Italy after 5 or 6 weeks away in Sweden. My mother had knee surgery, which went fine. She's up walking already. And in the meantime, we had burglary. They didn't break into the house or the stables, but they went into the garden. But our Reolink cameras has been very, very good because she's already basically caught. She lives in that pink house and we have her on camera. The carabinieri or the police here were very surprised how well the quality was and they could identify immediately. We also sent a photo to our neighbors when this happened a couple of weeks ago and they immediately knew who she was. So that's been great. She took the green little garden trolley we had, some tools, and that's about it. In the meantime, I was supposed to upload a video, but I lost the footage. I have some of it left, and it involves taking that tree down. So now when that's gone, we have a plan of actually keeping this garden a bit tidy for this year. In the previous years, we just left it all summer and it's not been great. So we're going to do some gardening. I don't know if you guys remember last year, but this part of the garden had like 3-4 meters high weeds, and we don't want that to happen again. So the next coming episodes is going to be a bit of gardening and hopefully I'll do some work on the facade. The temperature is perfect for that at the moment, so I'll do some work on that, and then in the future I hope to be able to start working on the basement. We are slightly postponed due to the court case, which I would love to speak about, but I need to keep my mouth shut. We had a court hearing yesterday and basically it's postponed another 3 months, and in 3 months they're going to take a technician here to calculate the value of these windows, which is a lot less than what the window supplier is trying to prove. Anyway, that's about as much as I can tell you about that now. I'm sure I will update you guys in the future. So yeah, that's the agenda for the next month, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. We also have some sort of idea of actually starting to do some work here because we want some space where we can actually relax. Basically our whole property is just chaos and it's not very nice. We would like to have some sort of space where we can relax a bit, have dinners, etc. So we might do some work here for the outdoor kitchen. We'll see. Things keep changing and we keep getting new ideas, but that's the idea we have at the moment. It might change. Anyways, as I said, no building in this episode, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Yes, I forgot. I have drawn 2 different options for the garden. Option 1 is just an entrance straight into the house from the front of the building, which is much nicer. It gives us also the option of having a vegetable garden in the top right corner. And option 2 is what we originally planned, having the entrance in the top right corner, a longer driveway into the side of the house, which is probably not as nice, or at least not as beautiful when you're entering the building. It also is not giving us any option of having the vegetable garden up there. So please vote down below what you guys prefer, option 1 or option 2, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!